Hi everyone, I have Mr. Tahir sir here with me, father of Huda Fareen, and she's traveling. And sir, आप father of Hamza, right sir? सर आपका अभी तक का मतलब आपके बच्चों से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है अभी तक आपको मतलब क्या फील हो रहा है व्हेन योर किड्स आर ट्रैवलिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में नहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं सो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड?
बच्चे बाहर और भी ट्रैवल करे हुए हैं।
अच्छा,
लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप लोग की सर्विस फील्ड अब तक तो हम लोग अच्छी देख रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आगे भी अच्छी रहेंगी सर्विस।
हमेशा रहेंगे सर। ठीक है सर, आपका मतलब
बच्ची जाए बहुत एंग्शियस थी बच्ची, जाना है तो फुली डिटरमाइंड थी। तो अब हम सोच रहे थे कि भाई लड़की है कैसा भेजना है क्या है, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बुक में MBBS अच्छा कोऑपरेट किया, राइट। तो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द सेम कोऑपरेशन इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो till she complete MBBS. So
yes, we will be
and we expect her to get good percentage, and we expect to qualify in 5 years without any backlog.
Correct.
Inshallah, yeah.
We'll be more than happy if she comes out with a flying colors. Our India needs more doctors, and I'm sure that she will become a great doctor when she comes back. And even Hamza, he's a very bright student, so वो भी बहुत अच्छा करेगा और मतलब he'll make you proud. We are very confident that your kids will make you proud. सर उसके अलावा जैसे उधर आपके मन में और क्या डाउट चल रहा है, मतलब किसी चीज़ का आपको चैलेंज लग रहा है या वरी दिख रही है?
Temperature is the more challenging thing.
Weather is the only challenge what you are seeing there, right? Yes. It will be cold for sure, but वो initial phase में रहेगा, maybe एक 3-4 months जब वो जाएंगे, ये initial time है, फिर एक बार weather थोड़ा ठीक हो जाएगा, वो used to हो जाएंगे वो weather से.
And we don't know how is the communication of professors, lecturers with the students.
Okay.
Right? English medium है, लेकिन English medium means that the teachers lectures are not that much fast as they are in India.
Correct. Sir,
Right?
the local language.
But anyhow, they will understand.
So in any country, the local language is obviously more
Dominating,
preferred,
yes.
dominating. But as of now, from past so many years, we haven't faced any issue with respect to teaching. They might be a little slow in English, but they'll make sure that everything is communicated well. So your kid will not have any issues or any challenges with respect to language there. Okay. Any other worry which is there in your mind कि कैसे रहेगा उधर जाके या anything else?
Inshallah, I will visit as soon as possible.
Yeah. I hope even we are waiting for tourist visas to open for us to travel.
The moment the tourist visas are open, then I am the first person to go there.
I'm sure your worry will come down once she goes there, when she tells you that she's all fine, she's settled.
Because she's traveling for the first time outside the country without parents.
Correct.
So naturally every parent is worried.
Correct.
Right? So inshallah everything will be okay.
We wish you very all the best, sir. We are there to help you. कुछ भी रहेगा हमें आप reach out कीजिए, sir. We are there to help.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.